What's going on, guys? Today I picked up this DeWalt 20-volt cordless hand vacuum. So I figured I'd do a little unboxing video. I picked this up for $149 from Tractor Supply. And I'm just gonna use it for like cleaning up little messes when I'm sanding patches and stuff and like interior jobs. So it comes with the manual, comes with like this little attachment right here, a hose, a bag, I guess, to put all the attachments and stuff in, other little attachments. I have a bigger shop vac for when needed. But I really wanted just like a little hand vacuum because sometimes it's not ideal to carry around the shop vac on the truck if I don't need it. So I figured I'd go ahead and pick this little bad boy up. So it looks like it comes with all kinds of shit, so that's cool. There's a filter in here. Looks like this just attaches somehow. Let's see. It's always a pain in the ass to do this stuff with one hand. Alright, give me just a second. Alright, so this is what it looks like all put together and with a battery in it. As you can see, it comes with a assortment of attachments. It's got a hose, got an extension, got this little piece. This is probably the one that I'll use the most, to be honest. And then just these little like carpet scrubbing ones. As you can see, it doesn't really get Play-Doh, dried Play-Doh out of the carpet. Damn kids. But it picks up pretty well. I will be testing it out soon. I've got a little interior job coming up, so I picked this up because there's a lot of little spots that I'm going to be patching. Just little pinholes and some that are about the size of a quarter. So yeah, I bought this for that, just to pick up the dust off the floor, make it a little bit easier and not carry around that big ass shop vac that I have. So I'll be putting it to the test, seeing how I like it. So yeah. Real quick, I just wanted to show this attachment right here. So you hook the extension and then you hook in the little piece down there, and it's actually got wheels on the bottom, so it'll save you from having to spin down, which is actually very nice. And it even has a little light on the handle, which is nice. So this thing is actually pretty cool. Like, it doesn't hold a lot, obviously, but for the price, I think I'll be getting my money's worth out of this, for sure.